It's a very bittersweet video, guys, but I'm gonna jump right into it and I'm gonna explain more. We are selling the car. It's kind of crazy. We started our channel a year ago in this exact same spot with me wearing a yellow shirt. And this is the car that started it all, so I feel like I'm always gonna remember it. Now the car is not completely gonna be gone for the channel for a while because I'm gonna be selling it. Like I said, things are gonna kind of change courses with the channel, and hopefully that's gonna be for the best. Honestly, we're gonna hop in the car and go for our last POV drive with the vehicle, most likely. I want to talk over the things I've really enjoyed about the car, the things that could be better. Overall, it's a perfect car. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't modified the vehicle since my wheels, and I got my wheels, my order placed around September of 2024. We're about 9 months without any mods. And even before I got the wheels and the suspension, I was already saving for quite some time on mods that I never really got. I haven't really done much with the car after getting it as much as I thought I would. Like, I didn't get the car in terms of content even, but I just haven't done that much with the vehicle. I don't even think I drive it as often as I thought I would, if I'm being honest. But go ahead and jump into the POV drive and kind of jump into all of that. All right, we're in the car, guys. Let's go ahead and drive out. There's a few things I want to talk about and a pretty big surprise at the end, so I do recommend you watch till the end. I will say having a bald head makes POV drives feel a lot better because I put this camera on and it feels a lot nicer on my head. I'm selling the car. The reason for it is really simple, but first I want to talk about my likes and dislikes of the car. I have no hard feelings with this car whatsoever. Honestly, I couldn't recommend it enough. I think it's the best performance, like bang for a buck car you can get, especially if you're planning to do modifications. Honestly, I want to just get into my complaints with the car, which I honestly don't have any, besides two. And the only ones that I have is the handling on this car, like the feeling of the driving is not the most like refined and best experience. It's no Mercedes, but I will say this is where Camaro has the Mustang beat, is it feels a lot nicer to drive. Other than that, this car is probably the better car in every other aspect than a Camaro, but the Camaro handles like a beast. I won't lie, their suspension is tuned very well. And then the other thing is, like I said, it's not a European car. There's a lot of like little creaks and crackles and just a lot of plastic parts rubbing with other plastic parts, and it doesn't sound the best. Again, you're buying a sports car that is insanely cheap for what you are getting compared to when you buy a European car. That's the only thing, is those two things. Obviously any American car is kind of going to suffer with those two, but for the bargain of performance that you're getting, especially with the aftermarket support compared to a car like a Mercedes or another Euro, you are kind of outclassing them by quite a bit. Now, as for my likes, is everything else. First of all, I know not all Mustangs have this, but this digital display screen, especially when it's in track mode. Right now I just have it in normal mode. And then this right here, CarPlay, honestly, for the amount of money you spend on this car and the performance you get, it's still insanely good quality stuff. Like, aside from, you know, the noises and the handling, like, this is a great car. The performance that you can get out of it is absolutely insane. How reliable it is absolutely insane. I have not had a single issue with this car that wasn't something I changed. So what I mean by that is, I've had this car go down 2 times on me where I couldn't drive it. Aside from when I built it, of course. And those 2 times include a oil filter, the seal getting, like, just the seal broke on it, so I had an oil leak, which again, an oil filter is an aftermarket part. That wasn't a Ford OEM oil filter. And then 2, my tension rod broke. So yeah, basically my tension rod was aftermarket. It wasn't a problem with Ford, and I've never had anything from this car specifically give me any trouble. Actually, I lied. My car went down a 3rd time when my exhaust fell off, which again, aftermarket, not a Ford issue. And so overall, this car has given me no issues in over 10,000 miles. So 10,000 miles isn't a crazy a lot, especially it's only a 5-year-old car, but everyone says they're reliable, and I haven't had any experiences that tell me it's not. Now, to jump into what the video is actually about, because like I'm saying, everything else about the car besides those two things are great, and there's no reason for me to go through and list every reason. I think the car sounds great, it's great, but I'm recording this right now on a Wednesday. So it is Wednesday and it is 5:30 p.m. right now. I'm making this video to let you know that I'm selling it. So why am I selling this car? Without getting too far into a story, that story deserves an entire different, you know, video, because it is gonna be long. After that happened, it kind of lit a fire under my ass, and like I said, I haven't been modifying this vehicle. So basically, selling this car, with the deal I found, I would make a profit, essentially. Like, there is a profit to be made with that deal. Now, it didn't happen, but if you ask any of my friends, I'm always browsing Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of deals I found, and I've always passed up on them because it's not that serious to me. But this one was that good, and I'll talk about it in another video, but it didn't work out. With how I felt, I realized, damn, I think it is time to move on from the Sting if something did come up. I don't know what it was. Like, the way I felt about that deal made me kind of realize that I want something more, because the way I was thinking, and I can't give a lot of info here because I don't want to leak too much. The way I was thinking made me realize that I want something else, and so I started looking at a few options that could deliver something else. I did come across something. It is Wednesday. This video is dropping on Saturday. I am picking up a new vehicle on Saturday. So, if you are watching this, I am most likely currently driving home in a new vehicle. Now, it's very exciting for me because, one, first clean title car. You know, first clean title car. Two, it's a deal where I am not losing anything. Not buying mods for this car. Like I said, not only have I saved up, but I am not losing anything from this being a rebuild title. Now, that's if everything works out, which hopefully it will, because I'm gonna go check it out on Saturday, and hopefully I'll be taking it home. I will be going over in a future video of why I switched from my Mustang to the other car. Now, the reason I'm not telling you guys what the other car is because I would prefer if you guys guessed. I don't know, I'm excited, but I feel like it's so bittersweet to end things like this, because it kind of feels like it's out of nowhere. It's a great deal. I'm not gonna lose anything from selling this as a rebuild title. Overall, I'm just excited, I'm happy. And also, for everyone who's been here with this car since the beginning, which this is the beginning, essentially. But throughout this year, I do want to say thank you for supporting and following the channel. I'm moving on the channel to a different vehicle now, and I honestly think it's gonna work out a lot better for me. I don't have much more to say because I don't want to spoil anything. So if you're watching this, it should be on Saturday. I should be already out. But overall, I want to thank everyone for watching this video and making it this far. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bigger things to come.